Major Turner will demonstrate the exceptional climbing performance of the F-16 as he climbs 3 miles straight up. Gentlemen, we would like to dedicate this next pass to all the families here today whose loved ones are deployed around the globe in defense of our freedoms. Thunderbirds, and in 1962 the opposing solo was added. Now, check 6, and welcome our current solo pilots, Thunderbird 5, Major Laney Scholl, and Thunderbird 6, Major Bryce Turner, as they approach from behind and overhead to execute the ever-inspiring crossover break. original Thunderbird Diamond was led by Major Dick Catledge, with twin captains Buck and Bill Patillo as wingmen and Captain Rob Kanaga as the slot pilot. Now look to your left, as the current Thunderbird Diamond maintains precise formation position in the diamond roll. We are proud to represent America's Air Force. We are the most lethal Air Force on the planet. Now look back to the right and find Thunderbirds 5 and 6 teamed up this time to create a mirror image in their trademark Calypso Pass. Checking my vital signs, my battle lines going to war again. Feeling the rhythm inside of my chest, all I need is just a pen. I know I was born for that. I know. The critics, my words and my physics are false and I believe we can write a story. I believe we can be an army. We are the warriors who learn to love the pain. We come from different places, but have the same name. Ladies and gentlemen, the Diamond is approaching from over your left shoulder in the extremely tight echelon formation. Watch as 1 becomes 4 with the echelon pass in review. Major Shoal maintains level flight while performing the challenging slow roll. Word is I'm bringing home the bacon. Word is they don't see what it take to make it, but the word on the street side make it look easy. Flattering, way too easy. Word on the street is I make it look easy. But it's not easy. Whip got wings, I feel it wrong easy. Live like king, so the money ain't easy. It's like staying honey, you cannot beat me. It's so casual, must be a natural. Inbound from the right, Major Turner will demonstrate the extraordinary roll performance of the F-16 with 4 consecutive aileron rolls. We gon' The Diamond is now approaching from the right. This is a rare opportunity to go inside the cockpit of Thunderbird 1 as night calls for the 4 Diamond pilots to perform simultaneous aileron rolls in close formation. Excuse me, can I? Ready now, and roll. As your Thunderbirds prepare to land, we hope you have found today's performance inspirational. It's the culmination of hundreds of hours of training and preparation representing the unparalleled devotion to duty of every combat airman in your United States Air Force. We encourage those young people in the audience today to dream big, choose integrity, to serve your communities and families, and surround yourself with excellence.
It's never too late to change your life. So don't let them steal your life. Don't let them break your stride. There's light on the other side, and you'll see all the raindrops falling. So let them shine. It's a revolution.
As our F-16s come into land, we'd like to thank you for your continued support of the United States military and the Air Force. It has been our great honor to represent America's airmen with our performance today. Please visit us at airforce.com/Thunderbirds or follow us on social media at Air Force Thunderbirds.
Really a favorite because it was a very economical way to get into the jet age. Looks nice. Fun airplane to fly. Became quite popular here in America.
Rick, as it was going by, I heard almost a whistle come from it.
Ladies and gentlemen, it just doesn't get any better than everybody. What do you think of Michael Goulian so far? Goulian Aerosports is very proud to represent some of aviation's
Plane that you love so much.
I had this at built in 2005. It was the last classic at built before the Air Race series began. It has the most incredible wing on it. This wing will do anything I ask of it, which also makes it extremely safe for what I do. I go all over the world in my head.
Hey, Melissa, what's your favorite part about flying at Sun and Fun?
My favorite part about flying at Sun and Fun is getting to meet and hang out with all of the incredible people that come out here to join us. I could go fly by myself anytime, but this show is all about the community.
And Melissa, showcasing a Shooting Stars all-female team, what's your piece of advice for all the girls in the audience watching?
I'll tell you what, girls, you think your dream, anything is possible. I'm also a professor at Emory Riddle. We've got some of our faculty out there helping out right now with my whole team. Engineers, some of the fun people I know. Study hard, make good decisions, you guys.
It's incredible. And she's talking so doing all these precision stops. And honestly, I asked my wife to stop talking to me when I'm back in the car up.
Right?
Lots of practice.
She says she's on the faculty at Embry Riddle, and she's keeping her faculties about her right now while she's doing snap.
My airplane.
Of course. All right, we are watching, and in your case, Professor, watching and learning.
That's right, Rick. All right, I'm going to fly over now, come back the other direction, and I will go under those ribbons. Check out the torque of this engine pulling me back and forth.
Look at that.
I was having a ball, Mom. Having a ball. I've held the ribbon before, and I thought she was going to cut it, but she missed. She flew under it.
Yes, that's what she plans to do today. I think she enjoys that.
Yep.
But as she mentioned, though, it does help her get the idea of the clearance that she needs, and because as you get closer to the ground, things start moving faster. You got to orient yourself to all this again.
And you get ground effect.
Yeah. I'm gonna leave her alone right now.
She's in ground effect now.
She's in the ground, like dragging the grass along with her there. Under she goes. All right, that was impressive. And there's a little dip in the way things are from our point of view here. Was honestly, I